Ripple has announced the introduction of their new liquidity center, which appears to be a huge advancement in the cryptocurrency sector. However, does it truly earn the moniker Amazon of the crypto world? And, more importantly, would this liquidity hub prove a game changer for crypto in the MENA region? Keep watching until the video's conclusion to discover out. However, we must first all that is required is that you like the video, subscribe and leave a comment below with your opinions on XRP. Greetings, XRP Army. Ripple, a well-known provider of enterprise blockchain and cryptocurrency solutions, and the XRP Coins creators have announced the launch of a new service aimed at financial organizations including banks and brokerage firms. Through the usage of this service, financial institutions will be able to offer Bitcoin trading to their customers. It will be renamed the Ripple Liquidity Hub in the future since it will enable users to quickly obtain crypto assets via a single interface from a range of worldwide venues, including market makers, exchanges, over-the-counter desks, and even decentralized venues. The Liquidity Hub, as currently planned, is scheduled to open in 2022. The product will feature seamless integration and intelligent order routing, source digital assets at optimal values, allowing users to quickly purchase. Ripple indicated that it is feasible to purchase, sell, and hold crypto assets as Ripple defined them. The network will initially handle Bitcoin, Ether, and Litecoin, as well as Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, and XRP, Ripple's native asset. Later on, it will support additional coins. Eventually, the platform will support additional languages. Along with Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies exist, including Ethereum Classic and Bitcoin Cash. The project's scope will be expanded in the future to cover additional tokenized items. According to a press release, Ripple has future intentions. We intend to introduce further functionality in the future, such as support for staking and dividend generation. As mentioned in the announcement, Ripple has used the Liquidity Hub internally for more than 2 years as part of its on-demand liquidity platform, which powers millions of transactions worth billions of dollars. According to the statement, banks, market participants, and other financial institutions can use the Ripple network to make cross-border payments utilizing the cryptocurrency XRP. Ripple ODL is a service that enables banks, market participants, and other financial organizations to send and receive money internationally using the cryptocurrency XRP. Apart from Coinme, which acts as a digital currency exchange and crypto-to-cash network, Ripple has a diverse range of additional partners. Coinme will initially leverage the Liquidity Hub's core technology platform, with Ripple intending to add other functionalities as they become available. While the introduction of Ripple's Liquidity Hub occurs in conjunction with the company's participation in, it is not insignificant in a legal conflict with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, because Ripple Labs, its CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen reportedly produced over $1.3 billion through XRP, which the Securities and Exchange Commission deems to be an unregistered security offering. The SEC launched a complaint against the business, Garlinghouse, and Larsen. However, the vast majority of observers believe that Ripple's Liquidity Center plan, as a result, has earned the cryptocurrency exchange the moniker Amazon of the cryptocurrency sector. By the way, do you believe this will truly become the Amazon of the cryptocurrency world? Tell us in the comments section below. Due to the fact that SEC Chairman Gary Gensler popularized the term Wild West to refer to the largely unregulated crypto market, as you are surely aware, it has grown in popularity and has become a household term. On the other hand, do other regulatory organizations concur with the wording used in this document? An ex-official of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission expressed his views on the untamed. The West metaphor was brought up again during November's Ripple Swell event, and it was used once again. Brian Quintence responded positively to her query, which was not intended at Gensler. After examining Gensler's views with Susan Friedman, Ripple's head of public policy, Brian Quintence was a former Commodity Futures Trading Commission commissioner. Quintence, on the other hand, had some intriguing things to say in response. As a result, he stated the following: "You are aware that the terminology used in this instance is not the language of public policy. It is the political language. It is the language of persuasion and manipulation. Apart from that, critics within the Bitcoin community have been vociferous. Commissioned by the Securities and Exchange Commission, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission issued a Wells notice to Coinbase in regard to their crypto-lend product, and at the time of the notice was also investigating stablecoin issuer Circle, He violated his constitutional rights by improperly issuing him with investigation subpoenas. If you believe the criticisms are correct, leave a comment XRP Army. In reaction to the discussion's return to the Wild West, Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty expressed his position on the terms used. Quintence reminded his audience that when it comes to cryptocurrency scams and fraud, the Securities and Exchange Commission, as he had previously stated in his speech, the Securities and Exchanges Commission was not the exclusive authority in the country. He stated categorically, "I would not lie. I will not lie," using such broad brushstrokes to refer to an entire ecosystem. You know, this, in my opinion, does not inform policy debates. And then to categorize, that environment is riddled with fraud, abuse, and manipulation, which serves a lot of purposes, in my opinion. To begin, it defies the CFTC's anti-fraud and anti-manipulation powers over that market. And if it is actually plagued with those behaviors, we have a federal regulator with the authority to address them through enforcement. According to several industry participants, a solution must originate at the company's very top. In an early November statement, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse pleaded with Congress to provide direction and clarity regarding the broader cryptocurrency industry. Each of these elements adds to Ripple and its newest Liquidity Hub concept's effective defense against the Securities and Exchange Commission. And, as a result, the Liquidity Hub project's overall success is jeopardized. Are you of the opinion that this will be Magnificat? If you answered yes, be sure to like this video. As a result, you may already be aware that Ripple is the first business to use cryptocurrencies to address the trillion-dollar difficulties associated with international payments. To facilitate speedy and low-cost cross-border transfers, it makes use of XRP, a digital currency that eliminates the need for costly pre-funding accounts. Ripple plans to expand into additional areas and study new uses for its technology after successfully launching ODL in the Philippines. Additionally, the business is open to exploring additional applications for the technology. This means that XRP will not be physically stored in the United Arab Emirates, and transactions will not include the AED in any form. RippleNet has maintained a high level of global traction in recent months. According to the business, Ripple has gained a formal presence in the space with the introduction of its first in-market ODL corridor in Japan in collaboration with SBI Remit. Additionally, it acquired a 40% share in Tranglo in Malaysia in order to increase the availability of its on-demand service. As a result of these preparations, analysts anticipate that the Ripple Liquidity Hub will be able to operate in these places as well. As a result, the future residents' quality of life will improve. As a result, the Liquidity Hub may become an integral part of the future global financial infrastructure. What are your thoughts on the Liquidity Initiative? Are you optimistic that it will become the Amazon of the cryptocurrency world? Space, kindly inform us in the comment section. If you wish to continue learning about XRP, we've included 2 films on the end screen for your viewing pleasure. Subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate your time and interest. We'll catch up with you in the following video. Please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices fluctuate rapidly, and by the time you watch this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. The information contained in this video does not represent investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not rely on any of it. The information contained in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Conduct yourself. Before making any investment decisions, conduct due diligence and talk with your financial advisor.